Welcome back to Azri Smoke Cigar. I'm your host Azri, and Happy New Year to all my friends wherever you are. So today is the 2nd of January 2022. We have ushered into the new year, and what else is a better opportunity to smoke a cigar than a New Year's celebration? Right, so today I have a very special celebratory commemorative cigar for all you guys out there. So we have the H.Upmann. I believe it's the. I'll check out the model number later, but it is a special one because shit, it cost me a lot, man. So it is in the torpedo shape. And the story behind this is that I was planning to smoke it on the 31st of December 2021. So me and my friends, we were celebrating New Year's Eve, and apparently the accommodations or the place that we were supposed to hang out and for me to smoke got messed up, so I did not actually had the opportunity to smoke. If I were to smoke, it will not be in peace, so it will be really an uncomfortable session if I were to light up this amazing H.Upmann cigar. Okay, and today I will be lighting up this particular cigar with a soft flame. Yes, I do have a soft flame, and today also I am paired with a drink which is salted caramel coffee and an unexpected Kit Kat ice cream. Yes, I had a hankering of a Kit Kat ice cream yesterday, but the KFC and McDonald's that I ate made me quite full. So I would also be watching The Witcher Season 2 while smoking this because what else can you do during your New Year's celebration? Am I right? Alright, so I'll be lighting it up first, then I'll be cutting it. They say that you would some experts say that you would actually be sparing the oils of the tobacco a lot if you were to. Okay, so apparently the soft flame is quite weak. I have no idea why. Maybe it's because of the wind. But we'll give it a try. Worried because this lighter is becoming hot actually down here. I mean, it's a cheap one, so bear with me for that. So in order to supplement that, I have a single flame jet lighter that my good friend Happy borrowed, or she actually gave me before I went to Bangkok. Yes, so if you can see a few videos I have that I actually smoked a Bolivar and a Fugu in Bangkok. I believe this is quite toasted, so I will proceed to cut the cap off. Just a few centimeters in. Yep, there you go. like snipping a foreskin. I'm kidding. Alright, so I noticed that my first ever cutter, the guillotine, has been rusty. There's rust on it, so might need to do some kind of maintenance and check on it. Let's check on the draw. There's some resistance on it, but otherwise it's quite creamy. I love this. And it's burning unevenly, so I've read that there are a few factors for it. So some might be uneven fermentation, or they did not perform the test checks of the there you go. Let's fix it a bit. Yes, fantastic. A fantastic smoke for a fantastic year, 2022. It's mild, tastes a bit coffee-ish, but mostly creamy. And what more better way to supplement it with a coffee, salted caramel coffee. Perfect. Oh, the combination is just fantastic. So I'll see you on the second part of this video when I review the second third of this amazing H.Upmann. Alright, so we are at the halfway mark of this amazing H.Upmann, and I would say it gets stronger by the time passed. Let me give it one more puff. It's still creamy. It is a bit coffee-ish, a bit bitter. Exhale. Yep. Nice cream. So halfway of the cigar, I'll meet you on the final third of the cigar. Alright, so we are down to the last third of this H.Upmann. So the draw has been a little more resistant by the end of the smoke. So I have punched a hole with a perfect draw for more better draw. So I'll tell you guys how it tastes like on the last third of this. It's a little spicy, a little peppery. Otherwise, it's the creaminess is a little bit diluted now, and yeah, overall, as you can see, the smoke itself is getting thicker. So yeah, I guess all in all, it, this is a good one. So New Year's 2022, for more amazing cigars that I'll smoke this year. Alright, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.